Hello everybody, this is Jacqueline, and in today's video I will be reviewing the brand new mini velour liquid lipstick set from the Blue Blood collection from Jeffree stars, and it's right here. But before we get started, please consider to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring that little notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. That's the only way that YouTube will let you know when I come up with a new video. And let's get it started. Last week I made a full review on the Blue Blood eyeshadow palette by Jeffree Star. I will put it in the cards up here, and I also included swatches of this set of liquid lipsticks, but I decided why not, I'm just gonna try it on me and show you how it looks on my skin tone. I have a light to medium complexion, I'm Latin, so I have a little bit of olive undertone. So I think this is a great opportunity to just show you how those blue tones will look on someone of my skin tone, and also for you to see the different swatches actually on my lips. Also, in between swatches and to take off the lipstick, I'm gonna be using this Drunk Elephant Slaai makeup melting butter, and it's just brand new. I also will put in the cards up here. I made a little review on how to take off my makeup with it, so if you want to take a look at it, it's gonna be up here. Now let's get started. So this is the set of mini velour liquid lipsticks right here. It comes in this beautiful box. This is blue blotted out here, and then when you open it up, you will see these metallic stars from Jeffree Star logo, and then the A liquid lipsticks. The price on this is $52. You can buy it at Beautylish or at Jeffree Star cosmetics.com. Also on Morphe, and in stores at Morphe they also have it. I don't know if they are out of stock or not. Looking at the Beautylish website, it has 5 stars reviews. They have great reviews. The first velour liquid lipstick going on my lips is gonna be Velour, and it's a white shade. About 4 applications to get a full opacity on this shade right here, and otherwise it's kind of a streaky, and it's a matte shade, so it's settling into my fine lines. I think that's kind of, you know, normal. Okay, so here's a little bit more of that Slaai Drunk Elephant makeup remover. Just gonna put a little bit on my lips. So this shade is Diamond, and it's kind of like a periwinkle color. Is called Jawbreaker, and is this sky blue color, or like the Gumball's Jawbreakers. ice tray. Actually, this color I like it a lot. It actually has a sheen to it that it's not completely matte. So it's really, really, really pretty. It's not dry and matte. Again, going with my Slaai. Next, we're gonna go with the shade Velvet Blue. Medusa. Next shade that I'm going to use is Titanic, and this is the only one, the blue one, that has a shimmer shade to it. Is called Abuse, and it's this gray, purple, blue undertone color. Has more, to me, what it seems like more purple. This is the color Abuse. So to my final thoughts on this collection, I think it's beautiful. I love all the shades. The only one that gave me a little bit of trouble was this Velour white lipstick. I had to put it like 4 times to get the full opacity, and then when it dried out, it was just like getting into the cracks of my lips, so it was so. But then one of my favorite ones was this called Ice Tray. It has a beautiful sheen to it. It's not like a spark, it doesn't have like glitter, but have some sparkles to it that is just so pretty. Another one that I love too is the Blue Velvet and the Titanic one. Those are kind of like my favorite ones, and the formula is really spot on. I also want to give some love and mention that this Drunk Elephant Slaai Cleansing Balm, I'm not sponsored at all. I mean, I'm such a small YouTuber right now, but it really helped me to take all and melt all the lipsticks away from my lips, and my lips were not in pain through all these swatches and review. So anyhow, I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, you have a wonderful, beautiful day. Bye bye.